Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on deleting your play history on your Nintendo Switch. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the homepage of the Switch, open up the System Settings. Scroll down the System Settings to User, and then tap on the user that you would like to delete the play history for. Scroll down the user settings and tap on Play Activity Settings. Tap on Delete Play Activity, and then tap Delete on the pop-up. Tap OK. Your play history has now been deleted, and that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Nintendo tips and tricks.